Today we're doing like a summer days of my life vlog. This is my first like long vlog in a very long time, but I'm very excited. Today is 94 degrees and it's a Friday in June. Like that's literally perfect. But we're probably gonna go shopping today and then I might go swimming. I don't know, maybe. But yeah, that's our plan for today and I'm gonna go make some food right now, so go with me. I'm back. I have my little banana, it's like a banana bread, but it's healthy because it has like almond flour in it instead of regular flour. But I put like whipped cream on it, which is starting to melt. Let's do a taste test. I will add in like the ingredients and everything, so if you guys want to try it, you can. But it's really good. Since I'm going shopping later, I'm just gonna like start on my work right now. And then I'll make like a coffee a little bit later from now if I'm like tired. Because like I've really been going to bed. Oh my gosh, my camera was slipping, but I feel like ever since summer started I've been going to bed like really late, like 1 a.m. and like I don't want to go to bed now. And like I feel like when you go to bed early and then wake up early, it's like better, but because I've been going to bed late, I can't wake up early, you know what I mean? But that's okay. I'm also leaving on a trip soon, so when I come back from there my sleep schedule will be reset because like the time change, and then I'll be able to wake up early again. But yeah. Hey guys, this is me doing a voiceover. So first I went to Trader Joe's and I got these little chocolate buns, and then I saw a brand new version of their like famous chips and they were really good. Then we went to Whole Foods and I found 2 flavors of the Drizzlicious, and I like was super excited because Target doesn't usually have cookies and cream. And I think the other one was birthday cake. If I had to rank them, I would put cinnamon roll first and cookies and cream second because this was my first time trying them. And then I found this beautiful fruit wall, which I thought was so cute. And then I pumped, like, they had this, like, you can make your own peanut butter or, like, grind it. So we did some of that. And yeah. Hey guys, long time no see. I haven't vlogged since yesterday after grocery shopping just because I didn't do anything after I came home. But today I'm going to Brandy. It's already like 6 p.m. so I have to rush because Brandy closes at 7 and it's like a 15-minute drive. I'm like always running late, but Brandy closes at 7 and the mall closes at 9, so I'm going shopping. First I'm going to Brandy, then I'm going shopping, but I still have to do my makeup, so like let's hurry it up. Guys, I was just doing my blush and I was thinking about like how I usually would take like forever in Brandy because like I was like, oh, if I only have like 20-30 minutes there, it's not gonna be enough. But like the more I think about it, it's like they closed their fitting rooms, so like really like what am I even gonna be doing there? Because like I feel like the thing that takes up the most time for me is like trying the clothes on, and I feel like I try them on and then I put them back and then find more ones to try on. But if I can't try them on, oh my god, I can't talk. But anyway, I was just thinking about that because if I'm just gonna try the clothes on, or if I'm not gonna try the clothes on, it should really only take me like 20 minutes. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish my makeup and come back. Okay guys, I'm just putting some jewelry on. Here's my jewelry stack. So I have, these ones are the ones I made. This one is Kendra Scott, and these are 2 more I made. But here's my finished outfit. My top is Brandy, the belt is Brandy, and the jeans are PacSun. But yeah, now I'm gonna head to the mall and hopefully I actually get there before Brandy starts closing, because like I swear the employees are not gonna be happy if I'm there in like the last 10 minutes trying to grab stuff. But yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so after Brandy I went to Garage, and this is kind of like a buy or buy because I had the most time here. So if you guys want to see a different version of that, go on my like shorts or TikTok. So first I tried on the short sleeve, but the sleeves were low-key falling off. And then I tried on this tank top and it was so cute, so I had to get it. And then next, okay, speed it up. Okay, next I tried on these sweatpants and they were cute, but they were like really long. Or not really long, but they were just a little too long, and I have enough gray sweats. And last I tried on these shorts, which were really cute, but they were $60, so I put them back. But yeah. Hi guys, I'm back from the mall and I have a haul for you guys. We got Garage, Brandy, and Hollister, and I was only able to film in Garage just because I feel like that's where I had the most time, and then for the other 2 I was in a rush. because as you guys know, I like left really late and Brandy was already closing. I'm gonna start with Brandy, but guys, literally I was so excited because, you know, like the teal, the coral, like there was all these like new colors that came out, and I go to Brandy and they have like none of that. Like all their stuff is the same like stuff that they've had since like January, and like all the coral, and I see like the workers, like they have like the new stuff, so like I know they had it, but like everyone already bought it. But it's okay. I still got, first off, I got this basic baby tee. It's like an olive green color. It looks kind of like bluer, I guess, on camera, but it's super cute. I think it's like a very cute little basic, and I wanted one of the new colors, and this was literally the only color they had. And then I also got this, oh wait, it's backwards. I got this really cute like blue striped button up. I'm so excited to wear this. This is like my style exactly. It's like a little long, I think, but I feel like it would be so cute with like a pair of gray sweats or like light blue jeans. But it just has such a cute like pattern, and it's so soft. And that's what I got from Brandy. And then next we have Hollister. I wanted this like this specific like teal tank top with like flowers on it, but they didn't have that either, so I might buy that online. But they did have this skirt, and it was on sale for, wait, let me roll it over. It was on sale for $15, and it was originally $30, so I thought it was super cute. It's just like a little mini skirt and like a sweatpant kind of material, but it has this really cute like floral pattern of like, it just gives Hawaii, I feel like, in summer on like the waistband, so like you can roll it over, and I just thought it was so cute. So I feel like I don't usually wear skirts, but I feel like I would wear this one just because it's really cute. And then lastly we have Garage. You guys know I definitely tried on a lot of stuff there, but everything is like, I don't know, I just felt like nothing other than this one was really just a little trash. But I feel like this is the one that I liked best. But I just got the basic tank top that everyone has, but this is my first one, and it's like this, it almost looks white on camera, but it's this really pretty baby pink color. But yeah, that is the end of my haul, guys. I think that's how I'm gonna end this video, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.